Alrighty. Hi, everybody. I'm Bruce Pittman, and today I'll be walking you through the SpinFire Convert products. SpinFire Convert comes in two main areas. The first is focused on CAD visualization, and the other CAD format translation. The example we're seeing today shows 3D Experience 2JT. It's an embedded tool inside of your 3D Experience session, allowing you to export directly from your CAD session. As you can see, there are several different export options. The one we're focusing on today is JT_Theorem. This process is actually bidirectional as well, so you can import your JT file directly into your session as well. We support many different features, reading and writing these parts, including assembly tree, solids, views, captures, and actually translation into multiple export formats, along with properties and metadata, as David mentioned earlier. And as you can see on the screen, this is a proprietary V6 capture that will be written directly into the JT file. SpinFire Convert supports this workflow for V5, Creo, Parametric, NX, and SolidWorks, and as you know, 3D Experience. Another method of invoking translations is we provide you with an external GUI. So what that is called, that's the unified interface. That gives you access to all your available translators and an embedded file browser. Those files can then be dragged and dropped into the translation, and that progress can be tracked using the built-in translator activity, as well as our embedded log files that we create while these translations are running. And as you can see, there are different translation logs that get created. You have overview, summary, details, stuff like that. Inside of the UI, we also have the configuration manager. What that is it gives you a list of basic read and write options you want to use for your translation. You can then make that configuration your active configuration, and that will be the one you use during your translation. The unified interface also has batch translation capability. So you can queue several files and translate them overnight, extending the CAD license you're already using and paying for. This can be run directly from the UI, or you can actually export this batch list and run it separately from the UI. But if you wanted to run it internally, you just press the green play button. SpinFire Convert also supports command line execution for automated workflows and PLM integrations. What this does is this helps maximize the license usage and system capacity, as well as not utilizing all of your computing resources during the day. You can set these jobs to run whenever you would like. It's very nice. So thank you very much.